gutter replacement costs can totally catch you off guard, especially when companies like LeafGuard drop quotes that feel way too high for what you're getting. Alright, so here's the deal if you're thinking about replacing gutters without getting ripped off. First, always get at least 2 or 3 quotes from different local contractors before saying yes to anything. You want to compare prices and what's included, like the material quality, warranty, and installation process. Don't ever feel pressured to sign on the spot. Legit pros will respect your time and decision making. Check online reviews and ask friends or neighbors for recommendations because good word of mouth beats slick sales pitches. Remember to ask about the lifespan of different gutter materials. Aluminum, vinyl, steel. They all have their pros and cons depending on your budget and climate. If you're planning to move in a few years, it might not make sense to spend a fortune on lifetime gutters. Instead, focus on something durable but affordable. Finally, don't overlook gutter guards or screens as a way to reduce cleaning frequency without breaking the bank. One of the biggest mistakes homeowners make with gutter replacement is falling for high-pressure sales tactics, like salespeople dragging out visits or refusing to give a written quote up front. To fix this, insist on a detailed, written estimate before any work starts. Another common issue is not shopping around and just going with the first quote you get, which often leads to overpaying. Always get multiple estimates and compare carefully. The third mistake is ignoring maintenance costs and the actual value of lifetime gutters. Sometimes spending a ton upfront isn't worth it if you're not staying long-term. Picking a solid but budget-friendly option can save you thousands. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome because it helps homeowners find trusted local contractors who won't try to pull fast ones on you. For contractors, it's a solid tool to connect with real customers looking for quality work, making it easier to build your business without all the shady sales stuff.